Alum-A-Pole Scaffolding, keeping pump jack users safe for over 35 years. Rugged, rigid, and reliable, the Alum-A-Pole Scaffolding System has proven to be the safest pump jack scaffolding system available for 35 years and counting. Welcome to the Alum-A-Pole story. In this short video, we will show you how Alum-A-Pole began, the features and benefits with a focus on safety and productivity. So we hope you enjoy this video. Stick around. The original Alum-A-Pole was invented and patented in 1980 by Carl E. Anderson, a contractor and scaffolding user who knew there had to be a better, safer way to get things done. A complete OSHA-recognized pump jack system soon followed. Alum-A-Poles are made in 4 sizes, 24-foot, 18-foot, 12-foot, and 6-foot, and come with a lifetime warranty against defects and delamination. Low-quality rubber can delaminate, rendering a pole unsafe and unusable. Only the Alum-A-Pole is produced with a specially formulated high-quality rubber compound made exclusively for Alum-A-Pole, and Alum-A-Poles are made with a special structural aluminum that will not split, bend, crack, or warp with normal usage. Any 2 poles can be quickly spliced together with a 6-foot Alum-A joint. Alum-A braces come in both rigid and foldable models and are easily installed with 4 3-inch type AB screws included with every brace. The Alum-A-Pole Pro Jack and Pro Bench offer lots of muscle and easy operation. Now featuring the Pro Guide roller system, the best-loved Pro Jack on the market just got even better. With a wearable parts replacement program and even a greater climb per pump, no other pump jack even comes close. Alum-A scafts are jointable, designed to form one level walkway on multiple pole setups, and have rugged anti-slip decking, greatly reducing the risk of tripping or slipping hazards. Alum-A scafts also have square rungs for greater strength and stability. The Alum-A scaft end handles are made of a superior grade, super tough nylon resin for durability and comfortable handholds, making them easier to carry. The Sims safety net meets and exceeds OSHA and Cal-OSHA requirements. Don't be confused by substandard debris nets. Your safety is too important. The Sims safety net can also be stenciled, creating a nice job site sign with your name and your phone number. Solidly built end rails are easy to install and complete the system. Use the complete system all the time, every time, to ensure your safety. Our proven safety record of over 35 years is unmatched by any other brand of pump jack scaffolding in the industry. Invest wisely. Insist on the original Alum-A-Pole brand pump jack scaffolding. For more information on where to buy the Alum-A-Pole pump jack system, call 1-800-421-2586, email sales@alumapole.com, or check us out on the web at alumapole.com.